and a printer that's making this sound. Have a look, have a peek.
Then what I do, I press complete, and I'll see it. Well, yeah, that happens every now and again. I'm not.
Then you got to replace this. Thankfully, it's covered under warranty if it happens within the 1 year. If not, you know, I'm pretty sure it's like a $7 or $8 part. Looks like this. Really easy to install. The limit switch, and without any further ado, come, let's get started so that we can get you up and running with your printer in no time. Okay, so this is the piece right here. We're going to replace it. Just going to open it up, see what's inside. Not bad, looks brand new. No wear and tear either on this part there.